Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done makeup or DIYs in here in such a long time. I recently started subscribing to IPSY and I did the whole 1 year $10 IPSY thing, and it's super cute because you get bags and 5 items and usually sometimes an extra bonus items that you don't know about. Now I all of a sudden heard about the Glam Bag Plus and I might be on a tilt here, I just realized. And here you see my close-up face with no makeup on except for my lips because it's summer, man. It's hot. Anyways, I have a Glam Bag Plus box today. I tried out for one box. I think I signed up for it because it came with one free item that I might have known about like eons ago, but I totally don't remember. But anyways, my boyfriend conveniently opened it because we rarely have packages, and he got so excited. He's like, oh my god, there's this cute packaging, and I'm like, kawaii ne. And then, so, anyways, the IPSY box comes like this. He unwrapped everything already, so it's completely torn to bits. So you got no wrapping on that. It came in a little foam thing wrapped up. And the first thing I got on it is Gold Fatten MD Solution Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. And I am like 25. So this girl had dark circles since what, high school? Or ever, I think I had dark circles since I was 8. So I've been fighting with that. And I mean, with the Glam Bag Plus, oh hi Kitty. Kitty decides to make a entrance. She's sniffing the foam. She's like totally sniffing the foam. Yep. Anyways, oops. I might not be in frame. Gotta put that back again. Not bad. Oops. Anyways, Kitty interruption apart. Okay, she's laying down. You good? Okay. This will be good for me. I gotta see whether or not this is gonna react to me because I have very, very hypoallergenic, what's the proper term, skin. So I burn easily. I can't use a lot of Garnier products because sometimes they have citrus in it or something, and it just like burns my skin. I used to like Neutrogena until they came out with something like their makeup wipes. They burn my skin. A bunch of this stuff. I can only use one product from Neutrogena, and that's like the water gel lotion for the face, and that's it. Anyways, I'm blabbling. The next product I got, which is kind of warm right now because it's fucking 104 degrees outside, so it's probably been sitting out there and just like heating up, is PIXY Skin Treats Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil nourishing mist. And it's like a full-size product. That's the thing with the Glam Bag Plus. See, it's got all this like oil and stuff in it. And I think this has been like a well-known product on YouTube, and a lot of people used to rave about it. I gotta see if my skin's gonna do well with the argan oil because I naturally have dry skin, but then after the dry is I get my T-zone real oily. I completely oil up, so I have to moisturize all of the time. And if I don't, my skin goes, you're dry, we're gonna moisturize you and we're gonna oil you up and you're gonna shine like a diamond. Anyways, I got PIXY. That's my second product. My third product is one that they picked for me too. They usually picked all the products for you, what they think is good for you. I thought when I got the email that I was only getting one shadow, but I got 4. So that's good. It's Loose Pigments by Naked Cosmetics. Not the biggest fan of loose pigments, however... Oh, Kitty, stop. Kitty, that's my camera. Stop, stop. Kitty. No, I'm not showing your butt on camera. Thank you, bye. The cat tree's right behind the camera. We got some loose natural pigments here. We got... I wonder if yellow would look good with this. Probably not. But some neutral taupe colors, a brown, a really light beige, and a more taupey gray brown, in here for loose pigments, and they do look like they all have shimmer and some sort of glitter to it. And one that I didn't think that I'd like, because I saw it and I'm like, I'm not a highlighter girl. I already have enough sheen. I oil up, I sweat. And then I saw this. And then, like, look at this goddamn packaging. It came in like a plastic sleeve. And, like, I'm sitting right next to the window, so you can probably see the shimmer. And it opens up like that. So it's by Huda Beauty, the 3D highlighter palette. And it's actually, I thought it was just 4 different highlighters, so I wouldn't like it. It's actually 4 steps. Oops, I might be close to camera. It's actually 4 steps. So it tells you the prep is set, so that it's got different shades. So I take this off. I don't know why the heck it's oily. That's kind of weird. Probably from the prep thing. So it tells me to prep with Fiji, set that Fiji with Seychelles, might be somewhere, because I mean the rest of them sound like names. And then I'm supposed to sculpt Tahiti under the cheekbones and add dimension and shape. And I'm supposed to sweep Zanzibar on the apples of your cheek for a healthy glow. So let me go get a brush. Or maybe what? I can, kind of don't want to dab my fingers into this. But let me go get a brush real quick. Do I need 3 different kind of brushes? I don't know. Be right back. I have a lot more makeup brushes in this due to IPSY and their love of giving me brushes, and more brushes is good because I don't have to wash them all every single time. I've got my mirror here, I've got my wipes. So I'm gonna take my glasses off because I can't do shit or do makeup with my hands. So it says, ooh, my hair's curly today. Dab Fiji as a base is smooth. Now I didn't put foundation on, so you gotta know this is bare skin. So the prep is kind of nice. Fiji is base is smooth skin and amplified lighter. Do I put this on just the tops of my cheek, or am I supposed to apply it to the rest of my cheeks? Oh, this is yellow. Can you see this? This is yellow. This is yellow as fuck. Okay, it says cheeks. Cheeks means it all. Smooth skin and amplifies light reflecting pearls. Okay. Now you see how it applies? It's like really yellow. So I'm like trying on my best to blend this in. I don't know if you're supposed to apply this with your hands, because this is like an oily, you see this? I'm putting my finger in it and it's like an oily kind of slick substance. So I don't exactly know how to use this product and what I should be using it with. Now powder, oh god, my finger. Like, look at this. Ugh. I used to love putting makeup on with my hands until I discovered brushes. But still with liquid products, I do tend to use sponges or my hands. Or like, you know, for the inner corner of the eyes, and I don't have the tiniest brush available, then I would use my fingers. Ugh. Anyways, dab, dab. Dab. With what? Am I supposed to dab with a sponge? Am I supposed to dab with a brush? I need more instruction. I am not... Dab. Okay. Dab. I'll use this. This is my highlighter brush. Dab from cheek to temple. Okay, I'm just going with it. Dab. I do a lot because nothing usually shows. Ooh, this is near my nose. I run the cheek to the temple to set and bring out the pop. So I'm supposed to bring this all out. Okay. It says cheek. This is my cheek. This entirety is my cheek. Okay. I mean, anyways. Wipe the brush off with that makeup wipe a bit. Sculpt Tahiti under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. Shouldn't I be using a contour brush for this? Oh, well. Under cheekbones. Okay, I went in heavy. Ooh. Okay. It's not that pigmented, which is good for the light-skinned people, aka me and a bunch of white people, to sculpt cheekbones. And I like to blend with a foundation blurring brush. Tends to be what I like to use. Okay? I don't contour heavily like a lot of people do. So, I mean, I like it to show, but like, there are some things that look good on camera, and there are some things that look good in person. I prefer things that look natural in person, and you don't go out in the street looking like you got a line on your face. Flush Sweep Xanabar on your apple or your cheek for a healthy glow. And Xanabar would be this pink color here. I don't know if I should still be going in with the highlighter blush, but do what I gotta do, because I'm not sure how much. Nope, I will not be using this. Not this one. This is the wrong brush for it. Where's my blush brush? Yep, my blush brush is ginormous. You're not showing up. You're not showing up. Okay, question. Does this look like this? No, it does not. It's not that bad on my left side, but then my left side is my good side. The right side kind of looks trash because I got acne scars and I didn't put foundation on, but that's not my issue. My issue is the color is not showing up at all. It's barely doing any highlighting. Like, just give it 2 seconds. I didn't moisturize my skin today, so I'm waiting for my oil to come out, but I am in a air-conditioned place. So, review on the Huda Beauty highlighter is a note for me. I like the fact that you can build it up. I might, to make it work, I would put like a setting spray or something on my brush to amplify it, like you do with eyeshadows that have shimmer or glitter and you want it to stand out. If you want that strong highlighter thing, aka I like to call it the strobing thing. It's not really my style. If you can make it work, go for it. It's not pigmented enough for me to put that much work into it. I mean, but I don't know what the actual retail price for this thing is, but I mean, I get the little leaflet. The Huda Beauty. I thought I'd be getting something like this. It says Golden Sands. The value of it's $45. And it gives you the instructions too. I also got a mascara by Thrive Cosmetics. So Cause in C-A-U-S-E and the medics. It's actually very heavy. It makes me feel like it's like one of those rechargeable battery things. That's like half a pound there. It's half a pound. Okay, so it's like kind of pretty. It's teal. It's got this silver marking on it. If packaging's for you, this is it. But it's heavy. Liquid lash extensions in Bryn. I think it's supposed to be brown, but it's spelled B-R-Y-N-N. Should I try it though? Because then I got a lot of mascaras already open, so I don't know. Probably not gonna try that one today. My extra item, which kind of made me want to get the IPSY Glam Plus to try first, I think, was getting this palette by The Balm, which they make awesome products, and it's super cute and vintage. It's called What's the Tea? My boyfriend like kind of swooned over it because on the inside of the packaging, all the eyeshadows kind of look like teacups. Well, with the designs and stuff, they look like teacups. Like in the back, it's got these little teacups. And for this extra, I would, because it's not listed in my products, I assume this was the freebie. Comes with a makeup mirror. Oh shoot, I showed you my mess. Anyways, comes out with these really gorgeous colors. It's got black eyelid primer and a neutral eyelid primer, which is very intriguing. It says keep your lid on. And it can close, so you can flat put it down. It's got this really nice lavender shade, this navy shimmer shade with a little bit of like kind of teal specks in it. It's got this matte navy shimmer and matte kind of neutral. This is like a dark plummy brown, and this in itself I would say is definitely worth it, because I've had the Balm product before. They're highly pigmented, they're smooth like butter, and I mean, who doesn't love fucking vintage packaging? I do. I mean, if I had long hair and I had the money for it, I would dress in vintage dresses, but I became not a dress girl because that's not how my lifestyle works. So, sports, here I come. But anyways, that's it for my IPSY Glam Bag Plus review for, was it July? I think this was June's product. Is this June's product or is this July's? This is July's. Okay. Yeah, this is July's Glam Bag Plus. Thank you for watching, and coming in next time if you want me to make more makeup type videos, because most of my videos on my channel are singing, which is highly my passion, but I have a shit ton of makeup because I like to collect shit. So it was stationery, now it's makeup. So if you want makeup looks, summer tips, I have a lot of summer tips because I kind of have to. Keep subscribed, like my video, comment down below any recommendations, ideas, what I should do. So anyways, bye, ta-ta.